Hey, third graders. Today we're going to continue our unit on metric measurement by measuring liquids. Got two choices today, milliliters or liters. Two choices. Okay, milliliters are small. Let me show you some milliliters. Here is a lineup of small amounts of liquid that would be measured in milliliters. First thing, turmeric, very small. Next, a little spray mist, some bike chain lube. You can see there 60 milliliters. Some salad dressing I like, 355 milliliters. Some skin stuff, 255 milliliters. Ketchup bottle, hand sanitizer, 354 milliliters. Now, this glass jar with peppers in it is about a liter. So that's the size where you'd go into liters. From that jar up, you go to liters. So milliliters are stuff that's small. Not tiny necessarily. That hand sanitizer isn't like a drop of rain, but it only gets us so far. Okay? So look over here. There's a gallon of milk. So that's different unit, gallons, right? But we're metric. So I would only be able to measure a gallon of milk in liters. I wouldn't want to use milliliters. Be a lot of milliliters to get to a gallon. So if you want to think of it like about a quart, a liter is almost a quart, if that helps. So it's not that much. So most little things are milliliters, and almost everything else is going to be in liters. So little amounts of liquid, like a drop of rain, milliliters. A can of pop, still small enough to be milliliters. You know that yucky cough syrup you have to take sometimes? That's going to be in milliliters. You don't have a big jug of cough medicine. Got a little bottle, milliliter. Little bottle of hand sanitizer that you might latch on to your backpack. It's small, so it's in milliliters. I think you can see on the label it's some amount of milliliters down there. My eyes, even with my glasses, aren't sure. It looks like, I don't know, but it's in milliliters because it's small. If it's small amount, it's milliliters. So here's the cutoff point. This is a liter of root beer. Notice before we had a can of Sprite. So it's not about what's inside in the sense that pop could be in milliliters or liters. But if you go to the store, and you get those big bottles of pop, that's the size of a liter. So anything, the amount bigger than that big bottle you see in the shopping store, in the supermarket, shopping store, what am I talking about? That big bottle that you see in the supermarket, that's a liter. So anything smaller than that, you'd go in milliliters. And anything bigger or has more volume, more liquid, would be in liters. So that's a lot of things in the world have more water or more liquid, excuse me, not just water, than liters. The amount of water in Como Pool, liters. Okay, it's way more than that big bottle of pop, but still we'd measure it in liters because it's a fair amount. Or it's bigger than not much, okay? So anything that's sizable at all, you're going to go liters. The amount of water going over Niagara Falls, you guessed it, liters. It's a lot. So today, you're determining, are you going to use milliliters or liters? You got a 50-50 chance. I think if you stop and think, you'll do way better than that. Remember, milliliters are for small amounts, really small amounts, and then like a size of a can of pop, or actually a quart of milk, okay? For everything else, though, anything bigger than that with more capacity, you're going with liters, okay? Take me to your leader. I wish you all well. I miss you so much. Good luck with your math. I look forward to seeing your answers. Thanks so much.